Subukan natin bumili nitong Jollibee bag charm.
Sorry, ano po yung ano nila? Keychain po? May ano po yun?
May kasama na siyang may meal na pala siya. Isang meal.
Ano po drinks?
So at its price, may kasama na palang meal. Ay, laki pala nitong box. So hindi siya kaya ito keychain. Pero in fairness, ang laki ng box niya. Siguro mga 6 by 4 inch ito. So this is quite intriguing. It's a keychain. It's a bag charm. But as you can see, ang laki ng box niya. So I'm quite curious kung gaano siya kalaki. I think, yeah, gaano siya kalaki sa picture. So without further ado, let's try to open this. It's soft, fun stuff. Check. Malaki siya if you are expecting a small kitchen. They call it a bag charm, and it's made out of stuff. Cotton, if I'm not mistaken. And in fairness, ang cute ni Jollibee. Siguro more than 6 inches to 6.5 inches. Cute ni Jollibee. Parang Jollibee na baby. So at its price with the meal na included, I think it's worth it. At kung mapapansin nyo, yung kanyang box is collectors friendly. So pwede mo siyang i-close ulit. You can secure the lid, then take mo lang na mask and take to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. So takbo na sa pinakamalapit ng Jollibee and get this Jollibee voucher. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero yung vibe niya, I think it's inspired by Labubu. What do you think? Is it just me?